Let's look at creating a string tag in InTouch. Here in WindowMaker, I'll click the Tag Dictionary button to open the tag name dictionary. Click New to create a new tag. In this case, we're using Excel for the example, and I'll call my tag name my Excel string tag from the data type list. Let's look at message types. Memory I/O and indirect message tags allow you to store strings up to 131 characters. I will select an I/O message tag. I want the ability to both read and write from my message source. And of course, selecting the I/O message type changes the detail area. You'll notice that strings require a specification of length. The initial value for an I/O string provides the value the tag will have. As soon as Window Viewer, the runtime environment starts. I/O tags will immediately change the value to the current value of the I/O. I'm going to use an access name of Excel. I'll open it up to show you what's inside. So the access name is Excel. The node name is left blank because Excel only connects on a local machine, not over the network. The name of the executable is Excel minus the .exe, and the topic name is the fully qualified path and name of the actual file. Excel is an older technology, so it requires the use of dynamic data exchange versus our usual selection of SuiteLink. The item name field has to be the actual row and column reference within the spreadsheet. So we'll call this R1C1 to reference the very first cell in the spreadsheet. And finally, to commit the change, I click Save in the tag name dictionary.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.